In today's episode, I'm going to show you the 12 best goal-setting apps for 2023, so let's get started. Perspective plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/perspective plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello everyone, I'm Christina B. Rising, and welcome to the Perspective Plan Show, where I cover planner and productivity tips to help you plan for what's to come. Subscribe now for new podcasts and videos weekly so that you won't miss anything. Shop for workbooks, printables, and stickers at perspectiveplans.com. And last but not least, this episode would not be possible without the support of our Perspective Plans patrons and channel members. Thank you. Now let's get into this episode. If you have tried bullet journaling, time blocking, or just plain old to-do lists but haven't found the right solution to manage your time, then it's time to try out the Hourly Planner Bundle. This is the ultimate planner with everything you need to manage your schedule and get things done today. Featuring 300 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, 100 plus event and holiday labels, and over 2,000 plus planner stickers in 14 unique colors. All this and more can be found in our Hourly Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at perspectiveplans.com, helping you plan for what's to come. So let's talk about the top 12 goal-setting apps for 2023. Setting objectives and maintaining organization have become more crucial than ever when we start a new year or even halfway through. You may use these applications to stay motivated, monitor your development, and accomplish your objectives. So let's get started. Tip 1. Goal Tracker. You can easily define objectives, create milestones, and monitor your progress with this straightforward yet useful tool. It provides simple features and reminders to help you stay on track all year long. You can maintain concentration and make sure that each step you take gets you closer to your goals by using Goal Tracker. If you set your goals and go after them with all the determination you can muster, your gifts will take you to places that will amaze you. Les Brown. App 2, Habify. This app is all about creating good habits. It enables you to create daily objectives, monitors your routines, and offers useful information. Habify will hold you responsible for your goals, whether you want to be more active, read frequently, or drink more water. You lay a solid basis for attaining your long-term goals by forming beneficial behaviors. If you go to work on your goals will go to work on you. If you go to work on your plan will go to work on you. Whatever good things we build end up building us. Jim Rohn. App 3, Strides. People who enjoy images will adore this app. The Stride app makes goal monitoring a fun experience with lovely charts and graphs. Additionally, it provides habit monitoring, goal templates, and data syncing across different devices. It can be tremendously encouraging to see your progress visualized, and Stride makes this process simpler than ever. Successful people do things that the average person is not willing to do. They make sacrifices the average person is not willing to make, but the difference it makes is extraordinary. Brian Tracy. App 4, Wunderlist. Wunderlist is a great tool for creating goals, even though it is mostly a to-do list app. You may interact with others, set reminders, and make separate lists for various goals. It is a favorite with many due to its user-friendly UI. You can remain on top of your work and maintain the organization of your objectives using Wunderlist. All who have accomplished great things have had a great aim, have fixed their gaze on a goal which was high, one which sometimes seemed impossible. Orson Stewart. App 5, Coach.me. This app provides a distinctive fusion of habit development, goal monitoring, and personal coaching. It gives you access to a group of people with similar interests who can encourage and assist you along the journey. Achieving your objectives becomes a group effort with Coach.me. You get direction, inspiration, and accountability to make your aspirations come true. It is not enough to take steps, which may someday lead to a goal. Each step must be itself a goal and a step likewise. Joanne Wolfgang von Goethe. App 6, Todoist. Todoist is one of the most top productivity applications out there. It enables you to create tasks, assign due dates, and prioritize your objectives. Staying organized has never been simpler thanks to its smart features, such natural language input, and productivity trends. Todoist makes sure that nothing is overlooked and assists you in breaking down your goals into manageable stages. I think goals should never be easy. They should force you to work even if they are uncomfortable at times. Michael Phelps. App 7, Productive. To assist you in developing a routine and accomplishing your goals, this app combines simplicity and, of course, efficacy. Productive features like habit monitoring, reminders, and streaks keep you motivated and responsible at all times. You establish the foundation for long-term success by creating reliable habits and maintaining them. Without dreams and goals, there is no living, only merely existing, and that is why we are here, Mark Twain. App 8, MindMeister. This app is ideal for those who enjoy mind mapping. With the aid of MindMeister, you may define objectives and deconstruct them into manageable stages. It's an effective tool for letting your imagination run wild and making success plans. You may maintain your attention on the minutiae while still seeing the larger picture via mind mapping. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. Albert Einstein. App 9, Habitica. This special tool makes productivity entertaining by gamifying your objectives and routines. You may design your avatar, receive prizes for doing activities, and associate with others in guilds. Habitica can inject a bit of fun into your goal-setting process. You'll maintain interest and motivation throughout the year if you turn your goals into a game. My goal is not to be better than anyone else, but to be better than I used to be. Wayne Dyer. App 10, Notion. You may design personalized task lists, habit trackers, and goal trackers using this all-in-one productivity software. Notion gives you the freedom to create your goal-setting system precisely how you want it, with its adaptability and robust capabilities. Notion is the ideal ally on the road to success, helping you to develop your SMART objectives and deconstruct them into doable stages. It must be borne in the mind that the tragedy of life doesn't lie in not reaching your goal. The tragedy lies in having no goals to reach. Benjamin E. Mays. App 11, Forest. Forest is the app for you if staying focused and avoiding distractions are problems for you. To keep you concentrated and productive, Forest employs a distinctive strategy. Open the Forest app and plant a virtual tree whenever you wish to focus on a job or a goal. The tree will keep growing as long as you keep your attention on it, and don't close the app. The tree, however, withers away if you exit the program to visit social media or any other distracting websites. Forest turns maintaining attention into a game and rewards you with a growing virtual forest. It's an enjoyable and visually stimulating method for improving attention and, of course, overcoming procrastination. Most impossible goals can be met simply by breaking them down into bite-sized chunks, writing them down, believing them, and going full speed ahead as they were routine. Don Lancaster. App 12, Way of Life. Way of Life is a habit tracking tool intended to assist you in forming healthy routines and breaking bad habits. You may keep track of a variety of behaviors and routines by categorizing them as good or bad for each day. You can track your progress and see patterns thanks to the app's visual charts and data. You can start reminders, add notes, and get inspirational quotes using Way of Life to help you stay on track. You may acquire important insights into your behavior and implement significant adjustments to help you reach your goals by documenting your behaviors consistently. What you get by achieving your goal is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals. Henry David Thoreau. And our bonus app on the list is Coach Now. Coach Now is an all-inclusive goal-setting software with coaching, monitoring, and collaboration tools, working directly with credentialed coaches who have expertise in a variety of fields, such as fitness, business, or personal development is possible with Coach Now. These coaches offer individualized support, responsibility, and professional direction based on your unique goals. You may use the app to communicate with coaches and other users, access training materials, and monitor your progress. Coach Now provides expert help and direction at every stage, evaluating goal setting to a whole new level. Don't forget to go over these other apps on the list and choose the ones that best suit your unique demands and, of course, objectives. Finding an app that speaks to you will substantially improve your overall experience and success because each one of them provides special features and methods to a goal setting. My selection of the top 12 goal-setting apps for 2023 is now complete. No matter the app you decide to use, the most important things are to set objectives, practice consistency, and have confidence in yourself. These apps are effective tools that you may use to help and direct you on your path. Tell me down below in the comments what app you're eager to test out in the comments. Happy goal setting. Reach high for stars hidden in you. Dream deep, for every dream precedes the goal. Rabindranath Tagore. Create a budget that works for you and track your debt, monthly bills, savings, expenses, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, and more. This budget planner is perfect to take control of your finances, even if you are a beginner and just started your financial journey. Featuring 200+ planner pages with and without sidebars, over 1,500 planner stickers in 14 unique colors, and 50 plus quote layering stickers that allow you to customize the background to match your planner style. All this and more can be found in the Budget Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at PerspectivePlans.com. Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them plan for what's to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hate for you to miss the next episode. Now let's get into our recap. So let's do a quick recap just in case you missed an app on the list. App 1, Goal Tracker. App 2, Habitify. App 3, Strides. App 4, Wonderlist. App 5, Coach.me. App 6, Todoist. App 7, Productive. App 8, MindMeister. App 9, Habitica. App 10, Notion. App 11, Forest. App 12, Way of Life. And our bonus app is Coach.now. You never know what's around the corner. It could be everything, or it could be nothing. You keep putting one foot in front of the other, and then one day you look back and you've climbed an entire mountain. Tom Hiddleston. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.